Hello guys, today I am going to tell you how to create the view pager for our chat application. You can see in the WhatsApp when we are swipe from the main screen, then our chat screen is swipe left and status screen is visible. And we again swipe, then status screen is swipe left and calling histories appear. So something like that we are going to create in our chat application. So first of all, you need one dependency to add in the build.gradle app level module. Here, I'm using the SDK version 29, so I can use the material library, which is this. I am providing this dependency in the link in description. If you are not finding this, then you can also do one thing. You can go to the activity underscore main in the design part, and here you can search tab layout, like tab layout, and you can see here tablet, and you simply click on this download button and click on OK. This dependency will automatically added in your app level Gradle file. You can see here. Now you have to wait for Gradle building. Okay, Gradle building is done. Now go to the activity underscore main file into the code part, and you simply just add here app bar layout. Okay, app bar layout, match parent and web content. Give ID as a app bar layout. Sorry. And set the theme for this dark action bar. Okay, now you have to paste this toolbar code into this underside this. Okay, now here create tab layout, and then give match parent and wrap content. Give it ID, that is app switcher, and then set theme as a dark action bar. If you are not setting theme here, it is also work fine. Now outside this app bar layout, we are creating a view pager. This. Okay. Match parent, wrap content, and give it ID as a main view pager. Sorry. Okay. Now layout below, we are setting it as a layout below as app bar layout. Okay. Now go to the code part. First we will need 3 fragments to set inside the view pager. So we simply create one folder inside the layout. In Java, you go to the Java com and our main package and click on WhatsApp and create a new package, that is a fragment. Now inside fragment we are creating 3 fragments, that is first is click on the fragment blank, give chat fragment. First of all, chat fragment, we are using Kotlin. Click on the finish. Okay, create another fragment, blank fragment, that is group chat. And one another, that is contact. Here give contact checking that when we swipe, the screen is visible or not. So we simply don't need any code. We simply printing some message. Change it as a relative layout, and we directly passing the string, that is, this is a contact fragment. So contact screen, we are center in parent true, and we are passing as a wrap content and wrap content. We increase the size of this so that we can okay. And text appearances, text style is a bold. Oh sorry, 20 dp. Okay, we are copy pasting this code to all the fragments. ग्रुप चैट में भी सेम ही रखेंगे. ग्रुप चैट, change this is relative layout, and same in the chat fragment. Okay, here. Okay, now close all this fragment. For setting the screen, we need one class that set all the fragment together. So create one class inside here, create one package, that is sub. We are setting is at adapter. Inside adapter we are creating one Kotlin class. Okay, and give class name is a tab switcher. Okay, now extend fragment adapter. Yeah, fragment page adapter. You are getting an error. You enter and implement members, and implement both these members. Okay. Now we are creating. We are passing variable as a fragment manager, and passing here fragment manager. Okay. Now inside this, now we are using when. If we are using Java, then we are using here switch position. Now when the position is 1, then what to do? If position is 0, then what to do? If position is 1, then what to do? And if position is 2, then what to do? And else what to do? So if we are 0, then we are returning the chat wala fragment. So we are creating where chat fragment is equals to chat fragment and return chat fragment. Same we are creating for group chat. Group chat fragment is equals to group chat fragment return group chat fragment. Here we are using where contact fragment object. We are creating object of the fragment and then return that fragment. Understood? If we are not at any position, then we are returning simply null. Okay. Okay, this is not needed. In get count, we are returning 3, and we implement another in else part. we are returning null. Here also, okay. Now we implement one another override method, that is get title page, get page title. Instead this, we are also using this. Copy this code and paste it here. Now in this, we are simply returning title of the page. So here we are returning the chat fragment. Same we are using for another, and here we are returning null. Here group chat, and here contact fragment. Okay, now go to the main activity, and inside main activity we are accessing the view pager and set the adapter for that. So main view pager, that is main view pager dot adapter, we are setting the adapter as a tab switcher which we created earlier, and pass fragment manager as argument. Now we are accessing this tab layout using tab switcher ID. So click on the tab layout, tab switcher, but set up with the view pager and pass this main view pager as an argument. Now run this application. So you can see here, when we swipe, this is a group chat screen. Again we swipe, this is a contact fragment. We go to the next. Okay, so we are set up with our basic idea. Now onwards we are going with the next step.